One of the ways to survive the coronavirus, meat shortage, is you go get yourself a pellet gun and you kill gray squirrels. Look at that one up there. Look at that guy. He's hiding behind a branch. Look at him, he's up there. He's gonna jump on a pine tree. Look at that. He's resting on the branch. Can you see him? Okay, there he is. He's on the pine tree.
Where is he?
Right there. On that branch over there, big one. Do you see him?
No.
This one that went up on a Y, he went up there. I see a leaf wiggling fast. He's there.
Look at explosive the fall.
After you shoot them, they fall. Alright, you see him? He might be hiding in that big Y. Right here. Come here. Right here. Quickly. Straight above me. In that pine. Right there. He's getting ready to jump in this tree. He's in the tree. See him? He's over here.
I see him.
Right here.
Where'd he go?
Right there.
He's staying still?
I don't think so. Right over there. Do you see him? Hey, he's over here. He's over here. He's that tree right there. Do you see him? He's right there. See him?
Where?
Right there. Right there. There. He's coming down.
Where's he?
He's coming down.
Dude, he's time.
Do you want to go run over there? Okay. Shut up.
Dude, just stay still.
There he is. He's going up.
I see him.
Yeah, there he is.
Fuck, I was just about to shoot.
Okay.
Fucker jumped.
There he is. Got him? You see him? Right there. He's resting. There, right there. He moved. Do you see him?
I see him.
I'm still watching him.
He's confused as to what just happened. Keep watching.
I'm watching. Still at the same spot. He's wiggling his tail.
See him?
Yeah, okay, right there. Okay, he jumped up. Oh, I think you got him. You got him. You got him.
Did he fall?
He's going down. No, run. Come on. Go. Go get him. Shh. This tree right here. Get down here. Where's it? Okay. Where is it? Where is it?
like he was falling.
Yeah. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, I do want to follow up with the squirrel hunting. That particular one ran down a tree and we lost it. But, however, prior to that, we did bag 2 squirrels. Actually 3. One of them got buried, and I thought, well, hey, why bury it? Let's cook it up and eat it. But this is one that's frozen, that was skinned. And I'm going to guess that to be probably a third or half a pound, maybe 3/4 of a pound of meat on that, less the bones. And I don't know whether you can distinguish. This is the rear leg right here. You cut his feet off, you whack his head off, and here's his 2 little limbs in the front. But that's quite a bit of meat, and so if we can get like 4 of these to feed a family of 5, that would be worth saving. But anyway, a squirrel on the menu is quite popular, especially in exotic restaurants and wild game restaurants. So don't overlook this, man. Go get yourself a pellet rifle and start shooting some animals, because coming up, there may not be food in the stores. Anyway, thought I'd follow that up. Hey, if you like this, click the like button, and if you would, please subscribe.